Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone if you forgot the password or the PIN. So let's get started. So if this is the case for you and you don't remember it, first thing you want to do is basically shut down the phone. Usually this is going to work with the volume down and this power or the lock button. So you press and hold both of them, and then when it goes completely black, you're going to switch over to the volume up and then hold that power or the side button. So I'm going to first start with the volume down and the power button, and here we're going to wait until it goes completely black, and then you're going to see the screen go black, and then you're going to switch over to volume up and then the side button, just like that in this combination. So you're going to see here it went black, and we're going to wait for it a little bit. Sometimes you have to be patient with it. It does take a little bit, sometimes 30 seconds to a minute or even longer. And as you can see here, it just shows the phone's logo. So in this case, just Samsung. And then you're going to get to what's known as an Android recovery menu. This is what we want, which is good. So for this one, as you can tell, I use the volume down and the side button or the power button, and then switched over to volume up. Sometimes it might be reverse order depending on the model of Android you have or the phone company. So after you get that, you have an option. As you can see here, you can use the arrows up and down, usually one down, and then click on the power basically option to select, and that's going to do a wipe data and factory reset, which is a hard reset. Keep in mind that's going to delete all of your data. So if you had a backup, you can restore from that backup. If you didn't, you will lose your data, but that's how you can do it. Basically, you'll swipe volume down once and then click the lock or the power button to select that option, and it's going to enter that mode. So that's how you can go ahead and do it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.